Mix eggshells with soap and make a lot of money. I'm going to start our clue by scratching a bar of soap. You will be surprised by the results of this trick. A much more efficient soap than those sold in conventional markets. Now let's put everything in a bowl. And add 4 eggshells. And also a liter of water. After I started using this tip, my dishes became much brighter. I'm going to mix everything very well. I am sure you will love this trick. We are going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar. And before I forget, tell me which city you see us in so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Caroline, from Italy. She's glad you're enjoying our advice. Again, we are going to mix everything very well, until we reach that consistency. I'm sure you'll thank me for helping you with this advice. I'm going to transfer our mixture to a jug. I never again had to spend money on those expensive soaps sold in the markets. I am going to distribute our mixture into different containers. Please note that each container is approximately the size of a bar of soap. And that is the reason why you are going to make a lot of money. Using a single bar purchased on the market, we can manufacture a product that yields 5 times more than normal. We are going to cover the containers that we put in our mixture. Even your friends will ask you to teach them this amazing tip. Now you just have to let them rest for 4 hours. After that time we can use our product. Look how dirty this pot is. It would be very difficult to remove all the grease with normal soap. But don't worry, we'll show you how easy it is to make this pot look new. We are going to open one of the containers with the product we made. Then simply apply a little of it on a regular beard sponge. That's right, we won't even have to use a steel sponge to remove all the grease. After applying our product to the sponge, we will begin to float the pot. It is not necessary to apply much force. Just a light brushing is enough. Now we rinse the pot and see the magic. Watch how all the dirt goes away without any difficulty. And our pot is already shining like new. Tell me if you've ever seen a cleaning tip as awesome as this one. Thank you for watching this video this far. I'll wait for you in our next video.